These deep-fried Oreos taste just like the ones at the state fair. The cookies get wonderfully soft and melty in the middle. To make them, whisk together 1 cup of milk, 1 large egg, 2 teaspoons vegetable oil, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Add 1½ cups pancake mix and 1 tablespoon granulated sugar and stir just until combined. Let the batter sit for 5 to 10 minutes and meanwhile heat a few inches of oil to about 360 degrees. Dip the Oreos in the batter and fry them for about 2 minutes per side. Once you have fried them, drain them on a wire rack or a paper towel-lined plate and sprinkle with powdered sugar. You can try this recipe using different flavors of Oreo cookies for a fun twist. You can find the full recipe at spicysouthernkitchen.com. I hope you get a chance to try it soon.